Yes, so after augmenting the matrix, this is the matrix we have now. After augmenting and pivoting, we have this matrix. So the next thing we do is to what? Perform row operations to eliminate x1 and x2 from the last row. This is the last row. We want to be able to make everything here 0, 0, 0, so that we can just equate what is here to what is here to get x3. So how do we go about it? To replace the second row, we use root2 minus a21 all over a11 r1. We use it to form a new row 2. And we'll do the same for row3, this row. If you want to eliminate this and this, just use row3 minus a31 all over a11 times row1 to give you the new row 3. So we're going to perform these actions on each of them so that we'll see what we'll get. But before we do that, it's always good that you find these factors so that it will be easier for you. So what is a21 over a11? This is a2. This is the line a2. So a21 is this first one, 1 all over. a11 is this first one, 4. Then you also ask yourself, what is a31 over a11? A31, this is A3 line, A31 is this, which is 2 all over A11, also 4. So that is what you have. So we now start the row operation. So for this first one, what we replace is, we say for the row operations for row 2, the first one is going to be what? Row 2. The row 2 is what? 1 minus A1, this over this, which is we already know as 1 over 4. Times r1 of it, which is 4. So this will give us, cancel, it will give us 0. Now we do the same for the second one. The row 2 there is what? Minus 1 minus, we bring this again, 1 over 4 times row 1 of it, 2, to give us what it will give us. Then we'll do the same for this one. 1 minus 1 over 4 times minus 3 to give us what it will give us. Then lastly for this one, we do was 0 minus 1 over 4 times row 1 of it, 4, to give us what it will give us. So we've done for row 2, the same way we are going to do for row 3. So if we divide this through now, you will find out that this will give us minus 1. This divided 0 minus 1 will give us minus 1. Is that clear? Then if we multiply this out, we are going to get plus 3 over 4. So if you say 4 times 1, 4 times 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. This will give us 7 over 4. This divide this will give us 1, here 2. So we have 1 over 2. So if we work this out, we now have we have 2 here. So 2 times this will give us minus 2 minus 1, isn't it? Check very well. Minus 2 minus 1, which will give us minus 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 2 minus 1 give us minus 3 over 2. So those are the values that we are going to be replacing. In place of 1 now we put 0. In place of minus 1 we put minus 2 over 3. In place of 1 we put 7 over 4. In place of 0 we now put minus 1. So we'll do the same thing for row 3. So for row 3 now, what is it going to be? For the first one here is going to be what? Row 3, which is 2 minus this over this, which is what? 2 over 4 times the upper row of this 4 equal to, we do for this other person, which is what? 1 minus 2 over 4 times 2 equal to, we do for this person 1 minus 2 over 4. You see that this 2 over 4 is always the same thing, just like 1 over 4 here. Times what? Minus 3 equal to, we do the same thing for this person, which is 7 minus 2 over 4 times what? 4. So we will now solve this out to get the values that we use in replacing the row 3. So we found the value that we use in replacing the row 2 and the values that we use in replacing. So what will this give us? 2 minus 2 over 4 this. This cancel this will go 2 minus 2, 0. This cancel this will give us 2. So 2 over 2 is 1, 1 minus 1, it will also go give us 0. Then this one will give us what? This into this is going to give us 6 plus 6 over 4, 1 minus plus 6 over 4. What will 1 minus plus 6 over 4 give us? What will it give us? It will give us 5 over 2. Or you can say this divide this will give us half, 1 over 2. So that you now have 3 times 2, 6. So you have now 2 times 1 plus 6. So you will get 5 over 2. So for this final one, you can simply divide this and this. You have 7 minus this, divide this, you have 7 minus 2, isn't it? Isn't it? And 7 minus 2, we all know is what? 5. So these are the replacements. So our new set will, our new matrix will be what? We have this the way it was, 4, 2 minus 3, 4. So in place of this, we have what? 0 minus 3 over 2, 7 over 4, minus 1. In place of this, we have what? 0. We have 0 again. We have 5 over 2, and we have 5. So this is the new matrix that we have. And this new matrix that we have is very, very interesting because of one thing. Because we can now solve out. So I can now quickly close all this. Because I now have what I want. I would have gone to the next step, but because I have what I want, I can equate this. So if I now have 4, 2 minus 3, 0 minus 3 over 2, 7 over 4, 0, 0, 5 over 2, then I have here 4 minus 1, 5. So this is what I have. I can now equate, do my substitution. Because I know that this is for x3, I can say 5 over 2 x3 equal to 5. So that x3, 5 over 2, so that x3 is equal to, I take this one over, well, I have 5 times 2 over 5. Cancel, cancel, I have x3 to be equal to 2. Very simple. x3 equal to 2. Then I also bring this one down. I'm going to have what? Minus 3 over 2. This is 7 over 4. Minus 3 over 2. This is x2 plus 7 over 4 x3 equal to minus 1. So how do I solve down? I already know what x3 is. So this is minus 3 over 2 x2 plus x3 is 2. So 7 times 2 will give me what? 14 over 4 equal to minus 1. So with this, I can simply say that 14 over 4 is what? 7 over 2, isn't it? 7 over 2. So I can be having minus 3 over 2 x2 is equal to minus 1. Take this one over, minus 7 over 2. So what will minus 1 minus 7 over 2 give me? 2 times minus 1 is what? What would that give me? 2 times minus 1 is what? Minus 2 minus 7 all over 2. So minus 3 over 2 x2 will give me this. Minus 2 minus 7 will give me what? Minus 9 over 2. Minus 3 over 2 x2. So x2 will be equal to minus 9 over 2 times, this coming over will change, 2 over 3. So minus 3 over 2. So if I cancel this, cancel, we give 3. So my x2 is 3. Very, very important. x2 is equal to 3. So last thing that is left for me to find x1. So how do I find x1? I have 4x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 equal to 4. But I already know what x1 is and x2. So what is x1? x1 I don't know, that's what I'm trying to find, plus what is x2? x2, 2x2, we already know that x2 is what? 3 minus 3 x3, we already know that x3 is what? 2 equal to 4. So I now have 4x1 plus 2 times 3 is what? 6. 3 times 2 is what? 6 equal to what? 4. So I have 4x1 plus 6 minus 6 is 0 equal to 4. So x1 is equal to 1. So from there I can easily say that my what? X1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2, and x2 is equal to 3, and x2 is equal to 2. So I have 1, 3, 2 as my answer. So that is how you solve this. Like I said, the first step you take is to do what? You provide a augmented matrix. Number 2 step, do pivoting if necessary. Then number 3 step, start performing the row operations. And you perform the row operations using formulas. So what are these formulas that you use? Those formulas can actually be deduced from the matrix. Simply say what? You have to know that you have to replace row 2 and row what? 3. So what do you use in replacing row 2? Use row 2 minus A21 over A11 row 1 to find a new row 2. For row 3, use row 3 minus A31 all over A11 to replace. You understand? So you see that A11 here is almost the same. So first of all, find your 21 over A11 and also find your A31 over A11. It will help you in doing your substitution. Then after you finish doing your substitutions and finding the new rows, do what we call substitution or back substitution to find your various x1, x2 and what? x3. So in subsequent classes, we're going to be teaching more about this. If you like this, our class, please click on the subscribe button, share our videos, always follow our lectures. We are going to be giving you detailed procedures to solving all these problems. If you want to support us, please check the description section of this video and support us. No matter how little that you do, God will bless you, and it will encourage us to keep doing nice videos like this. Thank you, and God bless.